Yeah, that's my boy. You making chips? What are you making? What are you doing? Turn it. There you go. There you go. Aiden, don't lift up on the handle. It's got a clamshell. It'll pick up the lead screw. Okay? Here, disengage it because it's going to pick up on the lead screw, then you can't turn it. Here. Try now. Try now. Do it now. Well, Aiden. It's a good thing it's all steel so you can't mess it up. There you go. See? Aiden, there. How about your right hand? Turn your right hand. Turn it. Turn it inside. Turn that dial. Other side. Here. Turn this one. Turn this one. Like this. See? Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. Okay? No, no, no. Like this. Like this. Here. Like this. Woo! See that? You making parts? You making parts? Here, here. You see, you gotta engage. You gotta disengage it. Uh-oh. 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 What do you want? That's the key to the jaw. Don't lose it, okay? That's the key to the 3 jaw. Don't lose it, all right, please? Ooh. Tools.
Okay.
Pick it up, put it back. Come on, pick it up, put it back, please.
No.
What?
No.
You want me to spank you? Uh-oh, pick it up. That's the lead screw selector for pitch on threads. Don't mess that up. I need that. Aiden, be nice to that. I need that so I know how to actually run single point threads. I need to know the gearing, okay? Please don't mess it up.